Hello everybody, and once again welcome back to AppWiz YouTube channel today. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can link your Signal app to another phone. So make sure you follow my step till the end. First thing first, I assume that you have already downloaded the Signal app, and once you open it, you'll be able to see the interface or dashboard of the Signal apps on in the screen, where you can see your profile picture at the top left corner of this dashboard. Simply tap on that profile picture and now you can see the settings option at the second. So once you tap on the settings, you'll be directed to the settings section where you can see the link device just down below of this account. So let's tap on the link device and you can see there is a link new device option. So once you tap on it, it will ask you to scan a QR code. So if you are in another phone, simply open the login section and you will be able to see a login with QR. So simply scan the QR. And you will be able to link a Signal app successfully to another phone. So basically, this is how you can link a Signal app to another phone. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and set the bell icon to on so that you can stay updated with our latest content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.